Every day, we step outside into the sunlight. We welcome its warmth, we chase its glow, and sometimes, we fear its burn. But what if I told you that your skin has a secret ally, a microscopic bodyguard, always there, always working, silently protecting you from the very star that gives us life and damage? Welcome to a story where science meets the unseen, where the bacteria living on your skin may be your best defense against sun damage. We've known for years that UV rays can wreak havoc on your skin. They trigger premature aging, sunburns, and in worst cases, skin cancer. Dermatologists around the world have warned us. Wear sunscreen, cover up, avoid midday exposure. But now, scientists have discovered something remarkable. A new study, published just weeks ago, has uncovered that some of the bacteria living on your skin, yes, the same ones you might think of as grime or acne causers, might actually be helping to neutralize the harmful effects of the sun. Let's rewind for a moment. Your skin isn't just a passive barrier. It's a living ecosystem. Trillions of microbes call it home. They eat, communicate, evolve, and form a symbiotic relationship with you. Scientists call it the skin microbiome. It's like a rainforest on your body, diverse, dynamic, delicate. And one bacterial species in particular just stepped into the spotlight, Staphylococcus epidermidis. In the lab, researchers exposed skin cells to UVB radiation, the most damaging type of sunlight. Then they added a strain of Staphylococcus epidermidis. What happened next was astonishing. The cells that had the bacteria fared significantly better. Less DNA damage, less oxidative stress, and a marked reduction in inflammation. But how? Turns out this bacteria produces a molecule, a compound called 6-HAP, or 6-hydroxyaminopurine. It's like a microscopic bodyguard. It interferes with DNA mutations caused by UV rays and may even prevent them from forming. So, does this mean you can ditch your sunscreen? Not so fast. This discovery doesn't replace sunscreen. It enhances our understanding of natural defenses. The 6-HAP molecule isn't ready to be bottled into a lotion yet, but it opens up a new frontier in skincare, one where we can cultivate the right bacteria on our skin to protect it better. Imagine a probiotic for your face, not just for acne or redness, but for UV protection. Tis poetic, really. The very microorganisms we once tried to scrub away with soaps and alcohol may be the ones helping us survive the age of rising UV exposure. It challenges everything we thought we knew about clean and dirty. Perhaps it's not about killing bacteria, but learning to live with them, to harness them, to protect and be protected. One lead researcher said, "This may be the beginning of a microbial-based approach to skin cancer prevention." Think about that. Using the biology of our own ecosystem, not synthetic chemicals, to reduce the risk of one of the most common cancers in the world. Nature protecting itself. In the near future, your sunscreen might come with a live culture, or your morning moisturizer might be designed to nourish not your skin, but the bacteria living on it. Personalized skincare might not be about your skin tone, but your microbial profile. What's growing on you could be the difference between aging fast or thriving in the sun. Researchers used a combination of microbiome sequencing, immunological assays, in vitro cultures, and gnotobiotic mouse models, in which all microorganisms present are defined, to study how skin bacteria respond to UVB radiation, the type of UV radiation that typically causes sunburn. They discovered that certain skin bacteria specifically metabolize cis-urocanic acid, a photoproduct of a major UV-absorbing chromophore of the stratum corneum, trans-urocanic acid, using an enzyme called urocanase. Compared to trans-urocanic acid, cis-urocanic acid is endowed with potent immunomodulatory properties. This microbial metabolism then limits the ability of cis-urocanic acid to inhibit immune responses, which means that skin bacteria fine-tune our skin's response to UV radiation. The researchers point out the intriguing interplay between sunscreens, cis-urocanic acid, and the microbiome with each other, competing in and on the stratum corneum as the most superficial layer of the skin. This newly uncovered role of microbial metabolism in modulating UV tolerance reshapes our understanding of the skin barrier, not just as a structural shield, but as a metabolically active, microbially regulated interface. With increasing concerns about UV exposure, skin aging, and cancer, a deeper understanding of this axis offers promising avenues for therapy and prevention. The sun hasn't changed. Its rays still burn as brightly, but our understanding of the skin's defenses has. You're not alone in the fight against sunlight. You are part of a team. You are a host to an invisible, powerful army, one that might just keep you safe from harm. So next time you step into the sun, take a moment and thank the life that lives on your skin.